So tutorial second problem. The problem is a crop requires a total depth of 90 centimeter of water for base period of 120 days. Find the duty of water. So in this problem the total depth of water is given as 90 centimeter and the base period is given as 120 days, and it is requested to find the duty of water. So that is, duty of water should be in terms of hectares per cubic, right? So we are knowing the formula, that is delta is equal to 8.64 B by D, and keep in mind the delta is in 90 centimeter, but the output result, that is duty, should be in hectares per cubic. So do change the unit conversion for delta and proceed the problem, because the output should be in hectares per cubic. Now try to work out the problem.